Looking ahead to the trading week beginning December 15th, we have a stacked calendar of economic reports hitting, and I'll be listing all of them out as I do every week. Also, on top of all that, we have Fed speakers next week. John Williams from the New York Fed, Fed Governor Christopher Waller, and Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic. But we'll also get shutdown delayed government releases like the November Nonfarm Payrolls and November PCE, plus regularly scheduled reports like CPI and retail sales. We also have 3 central bank rate meetings that are scheduled for next week, and all 3 could affect currency volatility and interest rate differentials between the countries. Markets expect the Bank of England to deliver a 25 basis point rate cut, taking the bank rate to about 3.75% and signaling a gradual easing path into 2026. The ECB is seeing trimming rates by another 25 basis points, keeping guidance data dependent, but cautious on inflation risks. And the Bank of Japan, in a change, is expected to hike rates 25 basis points to around 0.75% as part of slow normalization. Now, looking ahead next week, we get 27 companies with market caps over $1 billion reporting earnings, including Micron, Jabil, Paychex, Accenture, Nike, Carnival, General Mills, Darden Restaurants, Lennar, and FedEx. Data next week, Sunday, we get Japan's Tankan indexes and a mixed batch of Chinese employment and industrial production data. Monday, Eurozone industrial production, Canadian CPI, and the New York Empire State Manufacturing Index. Tuesday, UK employment data, German ZEW indexes, and small to medium-sized business PMI data from the UK, Germany, the EU, and the US. And also in the US, non-farm payrolls from November and retail sales. Wednesday, UK and Eurozone CPI, and then the German IFO business climate data. Thursday, we get that Bank of England rate decision and ECB rate decision, jobless claims in the US, CPI, Philly Fed in the US, and a Bank of Japan rate decision that evening. And then Friday, UK retail sales, German GfK consumer climate, Canadian retail sales, and in the US, October PCE data, existing home sales data, and Michigan consumer sentiment data.